Welcome to our how to setting up the front jet nozzle or camera cleaning nozzle. Removing the factory installed valve lock screw. Replacing the valve locking screw with the valve screw and the valve ball from the accessory case. Store the valve lock screw. Then insert the valve ball and the valve screw. TIG thin it with the included multi-tool. Completely screwed in. You can see the pre-jet nozzle at the front. Replacing the front jet nozzle with the camera cleaning nozzle. Screw in the camera cleaning nozzle firmly. The borehole don't pointing to the lens are closed with the supplied screws.